Andito ako sa isang port area sa St. George's. At papakita ko lang sa inyo isang napakagandang gallery. Ito ang pangalan niya ay Christian Radic Oslo. So ipapakita ko lang yung view ng ship na to. Napakaganda. So ayan. At galing pa ng itong ship na to ay galing pa sa is a Norwegian ship na nakadock siya sa St. Martin at nandito siya from St. Martin to Bermuda. Nagbiyahe sila. So ayan, napakaganda, di ba? So tingnan mo yung itsura niya. Maganda ang ano niya, napakaganda ng barko na to. Ayan, titignan mo. Yan o. Napakagandang ship siya. So yan, yung area niya ito napakaganda, di ba? So galing siya ng St. Martin to Bermuda. So ang pangalan niya ay Christian Radic. Napakaganda niyang barko. Mostly ang mga tao rito yung mga Norwegians, pero nakadock siya sa St. Martin papunta rito sa Bermuda Islands. So pwede rin akong magtanong sa kanila kung gaano katagal yung trip nila sa Bermuda. So how long the ship from St. Martin, right? How long is it gonna take from here, from St. Martin to Bermuda? How long your trip?
3 weeks.
It's been a week?
1 week, yeah.
1 week?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
We have been.
It's a nice. Oh, really? Okay, so how's the trip? Is it very rough or how is it? It's quite nice.
It was rough one day, and then
Really?
otherwise it's been quite calm.
Okay. Yeah, it's a very nice ship. Have you been here before? I think you've been here before.
Yeah,
Oh,
the
no,
ship has been.
the ship has
we
been here,
haven't
right?
been.
Yeah.
I think maybe
So it's really
2019
nice, you know. You're from Norway, right? Okay. So anyway,
Where do you
I'm from the Philippines. I used to vlog, so try to get your beautiful ship. I want to vlog it. Hello, sir. How are you, sir? Are you the captain?
What?
Are you the captain of the ship?
No, I'm the captain for the ladies.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I'm trying this. A very nice ship, yeah, sir.
No,
Yeah. How is your trip, sir? Is
I'm
it
a
all right?
slave.
Is it a nice trip you've been?
Very nice. I sailed
Okay.
from Las Palmas to Gran Canaria Island. to
Oh,
St.
really?
Martin.
Okay. So you've been doing this every time, or is this the first time?
13
From
time,
here-
13 time on board.
Oh, really? Oh, nice.
Four times across the Atlantic with the toll.
Oh, really, sir? Oh, nice. You're from Norway also, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, thank you very much for the nice interview. Thank you very much. Interview ko yung mga tao dito. Sila yung naka-stack dito. Naka-standby lang sila rito. Tapos ito yung very nice ship na nakita natin. No, very big. Oh, ang galing. Grabe, ang taas, no? So, it's a very nice ship, really. Radic is from Christian Radic ang pangalan niya. Ito yung lifeboat nila. Kita mo yung lifeboat nila, yan, no? Christian Radic Tender 1. So ito, na-interview ko na kaya yung mga tao dito, and it's a very nice ship. I really enjoy watching this huge ship. So yun nga, sabi nila, it's a week ang trip nila from here to Bermuda. Okay, so yun lang ang may share ko sa inyo dito sa napakagandang ship dito sa Bermuda na nagdock. So usually bumabalik naman tong ship nito, pero iba-iba ang passengers. So usually yung mga taong yan nasa mga Norwegian sila. So anyway, yun lang ang share ko sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa mga viewers ko, sa mga kasabwat. Thank you.